Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send videos using LocalSend. Alright, so first up, make sure that both or all of your devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection. And then once that's done, open up the LocalSend app on both of your devices. Now, the main phone or main device, instead of receive, you're going to want to tap on send and then go ahead and tap on media. And go ahead and select the video that you wanted to send and tap on select right here. And then go ahead and tap on confirm. And by the way, you can go ahead and add in up to 999 videos if you want. And then just tap on confirm. After that, go ahead and select the other device. If you can't see it, just tap on refresh or search devices right here. And then once it pops up, go ahead and tap on the other device. Tap, and as you can see here on the other phone, it says, my Android wants to send you a file. Do you want to accept it? Tap on accept or decline. Accept, and once that's done, hit on the done button, and then you'll be able to see all of your received files under recents right here. There you have it. And if you want to, you can go ahead and open up your photo section or gallery and check the video from there. And that's how easy it is to send videos using LocalSend. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.